Global adoption is imminent, guys. I couldn't believe my face when I read this. Second thing, Ripple helped the entire ecosystem, the cryptosphere, but people are too egotistical to see it, guys. In today's video, we're going to expose it all. First things first, the Justin Fidelity Spot Bitcoin ETF has been listed on the DTCC under ticker FBTC, guys. So it's basically guaranteed that these ETFs are going to go live soon, right? And possibly there's going to be an explosion to the upside, and then afterwards possibly as well, when everything gets euphoric, guys, that's when perhaps the collapse takes place, right? And then regulations and the new financial system goes live. But check this out, right? This is going under the radar because why BlackRock and spot ETFs at this point in time, plus Ripple case cited as part of the reason. Wait, what? Bitcoin ETF. What you need to know about spot Bitcoin ETFs, okay? And look what it says here, guys. This is crazy. Why BlackRock and why now, right? Everyone wants to bring a spot Bitcoin ETF onto the market, but the real question is why now? Well, it just got exposed, right? And people still hate Ripple and XRP. How? This is how I know XRP is king, guys, right? Ripple is king in the aspect of crypto companies. XRP is king in the aspect of cryptocurrencies, right? Digital assets. They literally fought for the entire industry, and people are still too egotistical to see it. But why file the application now? Given that SEC Chair Gensler strongly opposes the idea, right? There is speculation that Gensler realizes he has backed himself into a corner. The SEC largely lost its lawsuit against Ripple, guys. XRP is not a security, where the SEC argued that Ripple's XRP token is a security. The SEC is widely expected to lose in the Grayscale case. He has refused to issue new regulations governing crypto, causing members of both parties in Congress to criticize him. Now, there has been a lot of pressure onto the SEC and Gary, right? So it seems like a new world is upon us, guys, right? Specifically targeting the cryptocurrency space. And everything that's been happening with SEC, right, attacking cryptocurrencies, has caused the NACs to fall back or fall behind other nations, where more favorable regulatory environments have attracted many crypto companies, right? Interesting. But Ripple fought for the entire industry, guys. That's an insane thing, right? People don't want to mention, I guess. Now, this is crazy because almost 2 years ago, from Johnny Deaton, he did a video for Crypto Law US. Quote, "Every coin is in danger," end quote, regarding my view that the SEC was using dangerous and grossly broad language when discussing XRP or any other token, right? Johnny Deaton stated, as absurd as it sounds, I want to rule out the SEC attempting to claim Bitcoin was a security. Wow. This is crazy. Interesting update to BlackRock iShares S1 filing regarding the concern that the SEC could take an approach that Bitcoin is a potential security. What? No way, guys. This is the most insane stuff, right? Oh my. Wow. We were right all along, guys. Please like today's video. Please. I really appreciate it, guys, because this is the craziest thing. We're exposing the truth in real time. Check this out. This is why we stated that good thing Gary Gensler, right? The SEC attacked Ripple and XRP, right? Why? Because XRP first in the gate of clarity and first out of. Now they're suggesting that potentially Bitcoin could be regarded as a security, guys. This is the craziest thing. Wait, what? No way. If that's the case, XRP is on paper not a security, right? The only digital asset out there, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Maybe there's one more, but XRP is prominent out there, guys, right? This is the craziest thing. Oh my. One man, one coin stands, right? Interesting. Very fascinating, guys. Any enforcement action by the SEC or a state securities regulator asserting that Bitcoin is a security or a court decision to that effect would be expected to have an immediate material adverse impact on the trading value of Bitcoin and as well as the shares. Interesting, guys. Wow. And then they cite what? XRP, right? And the lawsuit that was ongoing. You couldn't make that stuff up, guys. Interesting. All I'm saying is everyone should be glad Ripple fought for everyone, right? But at the same time, the other coins are not safe, guys, right? So we see all these things coming into play, guys, but VanEck right here comes in with their 15 crypto predictions for 2024 because it seems like it's going to be explosive, right? Bitcoin potentially a security, regulations imminent, explosions to the upside, black swans, collapses maybe, elections, events. I don't know, guys, but prediction number one from them. And remember, who are these people? Well, here, they are with $76.4 billion in assets under management as of September 30th, 2023. VanEck offers a range of vehicles, including ETFs, mutual funds, institutional funds, separately managed accounts, right, and other things as well. But so they hold $76.4 billion, guys, assets under management. Okay, so these people are supposedly important. Okay. Now, their prediction comes out as the naysayers recession will finally arrive. Which means cryptos will plummet in price, guys. So if we go up from here and then a plummet in price and then go back up, right? Because the Fed has to come in and save the day because of elections and whatnot, guys. We're going to be talking about that in another video, but so will the first spot Bitcoin ETF. Over $2.4 billion may flow into these ETFs in Q1 2024 to support Bitcoin's prices. I don't think so, guys, right? If a recession were to take place, no one is buying Bitcoin ETFs. No chance, guys, right? That's the narrative they may use to lure people in, but no one's buying it, guys. Will you, right? If you see, oh, recession here, will you even have the money to buy, guys, at that point, right? People will be too scared. That's the thing. Now, $200 trillion waiting to invest into crypto, though. So after, let's just say, hypothetically, a recession were to occur, and then the Fed comes in and saves the markets, right? Because they possibly have to at that point. Well, a flood of capital, a flood of liquidity will enter the crypto sphere, right? Why? Because if we're talking about a new financial system, guys, right, it has to be the new horse, right? It has to take charge and lead. It has to be propped up to the same magnitude as the stock market, right? So obviously a liquidity has to be pouring in like never before, like a tsunami, guys. Check this out. 200 trillion is insane. Like this is so funny. XRP, and then people talk about market cap, right, as an excuse or as an argument when we're talking about a new financial system, guys. Okay, it's that simple. Not financial advice, though. Check this out.
That was like just a little taste. There's so much pent-up demand, right? And if you think about like the $200 trillion of assets in this world that are behind what I'll call like the institutional gateway. So when you talk to like family offices.
So the money is waiting, guys, right? It's on the sidelines waiting to be entered, right?
Which have huge flexibility, 100% are in some way in cryptocurrency. But any of these other institutional funds, they can't touch this stuff unless it's an ETF or some other kind of regulatory blessed activity. So yeah, I think that was just a taste of what is coming. But in terms of that flood.
Interesting, guys. This would be the most craziest ritual known to mankind, right? Why? Because imagine luring everyone in, guys, and then you activate everything all at once, right? Luring everyone in, and once everyone is in, guys, right? People's dads, moms, grandmas, cats, right? You and I, we're all invested into cryptocurrencies. What if they rug pull magically at night, one day, right? And they don't blame it on themselves or us or anyone. Or even, in fact, any crypto company, right, or any crypto coin. They blame it on another nation or country, right? Perhaps China, because of possibly war. That's their scapegoat. Wait, what? BlackRock ETF approval will be a game changer for ushering in spot-based crypto ETFs in the United States. Plus, 77 advisors will recommend a spot ETF to clients when they become available, plus increased price from demand, guys. So this seems to be their game plan. We just exposed it. They're going to pump these assets to unimaginable heights, guys, right? Who wouldn't? Plus, they will need extra liquidity. Oh, wow. Right? That's another proof in the damn pudding, guys. Not only will they lure everyone in and then make them go broke at one point in time, not financial advice, right? This is just a theory, so take it with a grain of salt, but this is just what I'm thinking will happen in the future. I don't have no crystal ball, but not only will they lure everyone in and make people go broke, but secondly, they'll cash out, right? Because they can't do it right now. Why? There's not enough liquidity, right? Remember David Short's example of liquidity? Bitcoin at very low prices being traded at what, $1,000 or $100 or $10, $100 or $10 or $1,000. The liquidity is magnitudes above what it was back then, guys, right? And now, in the height of the bull run, when they start selling, that's how they'll be able to profit off of us, right? Because people will be buying the quote-unquote dumb money. So ETF has been touted as a game changer for ushering in spot-based crypto ETFs in the United States. BlackRock has a strong track record of 575 ETF approvals and only one rejection. Its application triggered a chain of subsequent resubmissions by other ETF applicants, guys. Wow. And then only 12% of financial advisors currently recommend Bitcoin to clients. What? Look at that. 12% of financial advisors. I'm not a financial advisor, right? But we're talking about the professionals out there. They're telling their clients, hey, maybe you should look at Bitcoin. Only 12%, okay? But more than 3/4 of advisors, 77%, say they'll recommend a spot Bitcoin ETF when they become available. Oh my, we just cracked the code, guys. That's definitely the game plan. I told you. What? They're going to lure everyone in for the greatest alchemical ritual, right? The greatest rug pull known to mankind, when everything, possibly Bitcoin at 6 figures, Ethereum 5 figures, XRP double digits, right? Higher double digits or lower, I don't know, guys. But that's what they will probably do, right? It is also widely expected that there will be significant institutional demand for these ETFs, suggesting that hundreds of millions of dollars and perhaps billions of dollars will be allocated to these funds when they become available, right? Since the supply of Bitcoin is fixed and increased demand will shoot up the price of Bitcoin, guys. It's that simple. Wow. Again, lots of things on the horizon, guys, right? The traps are being laid below right now, guys. So we have to be aware, not financial advice, but it seems like 2024 may be a roller coaster. Let us prepare, right? And then we have 2025 on the horizon as well. Damn, things are going to get hectic, guys. Let us prepare. Not financial waste, and never financial waste. But anyways, guys, so amazing. See ya.